Hi friends, I am Fazia and welcome you all to my Sleep Time Story channel. Today I have brought an interesting story for you. Friends, rabbits were very excited when Gugu Shachi's wife kicked the fox out of the house, but they were surprised to see the fox standing in front of the door the following day. Again, the clever fox was successful in gaining Gogo Shashi's sympathy and finally reached the fields, sat down silently, and was waiting for the chance to hunt one of the rabbits, but unexpectedly went to mountains and disappeared. Let's watch in part 8 what was the fox's scheme. Some rabbits were helping Gogo Shashi by digging small holes with their claws, while others were playing near them. The fox unexpectedly began marching in the direction of the mountains. It saw the rabbits with a depressed look and kept walking to the mountain and finally disappeared. Choo had seen it going. It ran to its playing friends and summoned all those too who were helping Gogo Shashi. It warned everyone about the danger of the fox. All got upset and looked each other anxiously. Choo was well aware of their fear. Choo said to them, I can understand your condition. Be calm. We all would have to think something to finish off this powerful tormentor. Otherwise, we would be its prey one after another. It has not only seen our living place, but also Gogoshashi is very sympathetic towards it. Bear in mind, we have very little time left to make a good strategy. We are weaker than it, and our enemy is treacherous and dangerous. All were agreed with Choo's opinion. Each one of them was planning what measures should be taken not to see this rascal fox again. After much deliberation, an old rabbit said, I have a plan in my mind, but I'm afraid it might be very risky. Another rabbit eagerly intervened. Tell us the idea, then we would decide whether to practice it or not. The old rabbit spoke in a low voice. One of us would have to risk its life to save the rest of the group from this beast. One should willingly present itself as bait, and when the fox would attack it, we all would attack the fox. Therefore, not only the fox would learn a lesson, but we would be able to show Gogo Shashi that he was feeding a snake which was waiting for opportunities to eat us all one by one. After listening to the old rabbit, they were of the same mind but reluctant to offer sacrifice for a noble cause. They were looking at each other. In the meantime, Choo hopped in and stepped forward. I am ready for this because the fox would love to make me its meal as compared to any other rabbit because it has severe enmity and hatred for me, and it has been waiting to take its revenge. The old rabbit asked Choo, are you doing this on your own responsibility and happily? Choo immediately replied, yes, consciously. All appreciated it. The old rabbit revealed its strategy. It was afternoon. Gogo Shashi was having his lunch and the rabbits were busy in discussion on the idea how to execute it. They were all alert. and waiting for the fox to come back. They had not to wait for a long time. They noticed the fox coming back to the fields. The rabbits were waiting for its return. All quickly camouflaged themselves under small bushes and hay, which was scattered in the fields. It was only Choo Choo who was seen jumping and playing. This was the most fascinating scene for the fox. It couldn't think of such great moment to catch Choo Choo easily. It, without a second thought, started its advancement towards Choo Choo. Choo Choo was already ready for the fox's definite attack, but pretended as if it is frightened being alone because none of its companions was playing close by or Gogoshashi to help it. The fox's happiness was worth seeing. It spoke in a chirping voice. Hey, clever rabbit, where would you go now to escape? You tricked me? I would eat and repay you for everything you have done to me. Choo Choo slowly began to retreat and acted being very scared. Choo Choo said in a sad voice, Please forgive me and let me go. Watch the next video for part 9 of the story, A Foolish Fox. Please like, share and subscribe.